To my YouTube channel EXP22 Excel Chapter 11 Cumulative FICO. Go to the instruction file. So my title is the EXP22 Excel Chapter 11 Cumulative Client FICO Score. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name exp22 Excel chapter 11 cumulative FICO. Grader has automatically added the last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel file worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. Question number 1 is complete. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is you will use the client worksheet through step 8. When you download data from the database server, the client last name to display in the alpha capital letter. You want to make it easier to read the last name. In a cell E2, insert the text function that display the upper and lower case letter for the last name in the range D2 to D21 using the range in the function argument. Create an array last name so that you do not have a copy function down through the column. Insert the text function in a cell E2. Select the cell as E2 and insert the text function. Type is equal to type the text function and select the ranges D2 to D21 and apply the comma, type inverted commas and type the LL inverted commas, close bracket, press enter button. Apply the TEXTJOIN function. So question number 2 is complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is you next task to join the first initial and last name in the another column. In a cell F2, insert the TEXTJOIN function that combine the first client's initial in the cell C2 within the person last name in a cell E2. Use a period and space delimiter. Copy the function to the range F3 to F21. In a cell F2, insert the TEXTJOIN function. Select the cell as F2. Insert the TEXTJOIN function. Type is equal to type the TEXTJOIN function. Type inverted commas. Apply a full stop and type the inverted commas, comma, and type the true, comma, and initially cell is C2 within the person last name in the cell E2. Cell C2, comma, and select the cell is E2, close bracket, press enter button. And the cell B2 is a connect function and copy the function to the range B3 to B21. Copy the function B3 to B21. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is the city column contain city name and state name. Abbreviation you will separate the data into column. Select the range G2 to G21 and convert this to column. Use the comma delimiter and deselect the other delimiter checkbox within the widget. Make the two column bar formatted in the text. Copy the range G2 to G21 and paste the range. Select the range G2 to G21 and convert the column. Use the comma delimiter and deselect the other delimiter. Go to the home tab, data tab, and click text to column. Click next and use the comma as a delimiter and deselect the other delimiter. Comma delimiter and deselect the tab delimiter. Within the widget, make sure two column formatted the text. Two column. Click on next and click on finish. So question number 5 is complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is when you converted text to column spaces remains the left of the state abbreviation. You want to remove those spaces and select the cell, select the range H2 to H21. Use the find and replace to find the space and replace it with nothing. Copy the H2 to H21, press enter and use the find and replace spaces. Find in the space and replaces. Control F. Find about the space and replace is nothing. Place all. Click close. So question number 6 is complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is you tasked to create an error different location where a client live. In a cell J3, insert the unique function to list the unique city and state abbreviation in the range G2 to H21. Next unique function, the sort function, sort the result by the state abbreviation. In a cell J3, insert the unique function. J3, insert the unique and sorts and unique the function. Type is equal to and type the sort function and type the unique function. Cell G2 to G21. G2 to G21 comma and type the true comma and type the true close bracket comma and one close bracket, press enter button. Apply the sort and unique function. Question number 7 is complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is you want to count the number of unique row. In a cell K1, insert the row function. To count the number of unique location, nest the unique function with the row function using the same rate that used the step 7. Insert the K1 is a row function. Select the K1, insert the unique row function, type is equal to type the row and type a unique function. And select the range city column G2 to G21, comma, and type the true, comma, and type the true, close bracket, press enter button. Insert the rows function, press enter. So result is a 20. Question number 8 is a complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is the score worksheet contains the client FICO score for the entire year. First, you want to create an array row and display the score worksheet. Go to the score worksheet. In the cell A2, insert the row function that use the range A2 to A21 as the array. The result should then subtract the row number A1. In the cell A2, record column, insert the row function uses the range A2 to A21. The result should then subtract the row from A1. Type is equal to and type the row function. And select the cell as A2 minus row function, start bracket and $8.1 close bracket, press enter button. So the record is a 1 and copy the function A2 to A21. So question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is you are ready to create the criteria range so that you can perform the advanced filter. Copy the range A1 to N1. Copy the range A1 to N1. Go to the Home tab, click on copy. And in the cell A23, create a column label criteria range. Select the paste that is A23. Paste the range A23 and suite 24 type greater than is equal to 800. C24 type the C24 press enter button. and copy the criteria to the range D24 to N24. Copy the value D24 to N24. So question number 10 is a complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is a next you will create the column heading for the output range. Copy the range A1 to N1. Copy the range A1 to N1. Go to the home tab. Click on copy and in the cell A26. Cell is A26 and paste the range. So question number 11 is complete.